Yeah, hi. Hi, friends. In between, I had a technical issue. That's why the previous live got, interrupted in between, and I had to start a new live. So sorry for the inconvenience in between. There was a bit of network issue. So yeah, hi, Sandeep, you are there, and I see Sam is there. Hi, Sam. So I see more people are joining in, so we will wait for some more time and then we will start this session. So I hope there would be more people to join in. So I hope I am visible and I am audible to all of you. So if you are able to hear me properly, if you are able to see me properly, just let me know. You can just say a hi on the page, so then I know like, okay, I'm clear, I'm audible, and people are able to see me. Yes, friends. Shall we start? So, should I wait? Are there more to join or shall we start? What you say? Hi everyone joining in. Yeah, okay. So, I see more people joining in. Yeah, Mukta has replied. Yes, okay. So, hi. So, friends, myself, I'm Verghese Paul. I'm the marketing manager for Bay Atlantic University, and I'm associated with M Square Media. And we are promoting US Institute, and in that, today I'm here to discuss and talk to you about Bay Atlantic University. Okay, so beginning section, I will be just briefly telling and all. So about US, there are two things that we have to have in our mind. One is educational will be number one. So clear and visible to you all. So the reason being, US has very huge, vast educational facility, and they are very much updated in all the subjects that they come up with. सबसे बेहतरीन या नया या अपग्रेडेड जो सिस्टम होता है, अडेप्ट टू इट. तो ये एक खूबी है यूएस एजुकेशनल सिस्टम का. सो एक तो technologically they are very much upgraded, so that is again one more advantage of theirs. So ये एक खूबी है. Is after education, when you are entering into the job, a place where you job opportunity. Now, if you take into consideration the well-known multinational, so majority of them, even in the Fortune best 400 companies, if you see, majority of them, तो आप समझ भी सकते हो कि वहाँ के एजुकेशनल सिस्टम अपग्रेडेड है, टेक्नोलॉजिकली अपग्रेडेड है. और उसके बाद लाइक नो आफ्टर यू फिनिश योर is so huge, the job market is so big that जितने भी बड़े multinational companies है वो US से आते हैं. So you have a great job opportunity over there in US. So these are the two things that make US market demand, and a favorable place for everyone. So that now coming to Bay Atlantic University. When we say university, first thing I like to say is like Bay Atlantic University, right tagline है कि it's a new gen university. से न्यू जेन को क्या होता है कि जब हम बोलते हैं यूनिवर्सिटी सभी के मन में ये एक होता है कि बड़ा कैंपस होगा एंड इट्स लाइक जो एक कॉलेज या जो यूनिवर्सिटी अटलांटिक यूनिवर्सिटी इंडिविजुअल सिंगल बिल्डिंग है विच इज दैट well equipped and connected to G and very much upgraded. That is one thing. So it's a completely a new gen university. Now I'll tell you few other points के कारण like हम बोल सकते हैं है. One of the reason, now where is located, if you ask me, it is located in Washington DC. और DC यहाँ पे things happen critical that this is Washington DC. City of ours, Bay Atlantic University, locationally it is very adjacent to White House. It's something like you can visualize. White House is a place where the United States live. और उसके बगल में means it's just from White House. University is just a street away from located. So because of which very good safe and ये जो Washington DC, this is like all together in a radius of 10 kilometer उतना ही एरिया आता है. और वहाँ पे जो जितने बिजनेस सेंटर्स है they operate from Washington DC. You have as well known all Washington and the location have when you are studying with Bay Atlantic University. सो एक ये लोकेशनल एडवांटेज. काफ़ी बार का क्या हो जाता है कि दूसरे जो यूनिवर्सिटीज़ या फिर कॉलेजेस है वो काफ़ी दूर पड़ता है, काफ़ी दूर होता है. तो जो स्टूडेंट्स वहाँ पे पढ़ने के लिए जाते हैं या टाउन एरिया से एक्सेस कम हो जाता है, जॉब आना पड़ता है. बट इन वॉशिंगटन डीसी दैट वाज यू आर इन द प्राइम स्पॉट. आपके वो सभी जाने माने बिजनेस सेंटर्स है, जैसे कि you have the World Bank over very close by environment of where you are studying. So that is the locational advantage. Second point is that it is जो subjects वहाँ पे है वो सारे एकदम focused है. So you have access to study about selective courses like you have MBA programs which has got a में भी जो स्पेशलाइजेशन है वो भी वेल प्लान्ड है because you have the global affair, then you have been framed for seeing a great job opportunity. So it's just learning anything but so that is the advantage. Secondly, when you come to the science background, you have big data analyst which has got a great opportunity. Then you have cyber security, a very huge demand. पता है कि सब कुछ कंप्यूटराइज्ड हो गया या फिर डिजिटलाइज्ड एनालिसिस एकदम इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया है. और साइबर सिक्योरिटी हैंड इन जो यूनिवर्सिटी में अवेलेबल है दैट्स ऑफ ह्यूज डिमांड और काफ़ी. सो दैट इज व्हाई वी से इट्स वेरी फोकस्ड प्रोग्राम. थर्ड थिंग which connection that the university has got, and other is the thing of the institute. When I say about since in the world और आगे भी जाकर university has having associates around the more of transfer program for studying में है. So the university is having a very good global presence because come under the Bay Atlantic Global Foundations across the globe. And connection, you have a teach you, who are very well experienced professors, who have known reputed institutes, and they have got a very vast side the institute to which great job opportunities. One example I give you, like in Bay Atlantic University, economics is a person who has previously worked in world. ये होता है कि जब स्टूडेंट्स को किसी प्रोजेक्ट they have to do a visit, study, know more about a particular market, you get an access through your professor. You have a professor जिनका experience है वर्ल्ड बैंक में, तो वो जो उनका नेटवर्क है वो आप यूटिलाइज कर पाते हो. सो इट्स लाइक इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट व्हाट यू लर्न, जो आप उसी से पूरा काम नहीं हो जाता है, बट along with what you learn about the very कोर्स आप सीखते हो, उसके साथ आपको नेट बनाना पड़ता है, डेवलप करके लेना पड़ता है, which into a very good. So this is possible. So you have really good experienced professors who connect you with the very good opportunities in the job market. Now coming to the fifth point about the affordability, because when you see the tuition fee compared to other university fee, the tuition is 70% lower to compared to US. So it's an affordable price. Beside that कहता है कि आप इंस्टॉलमेंट में भी आपकी पेमेंट कर सकते हो, लाइक इट कैन बेसिस और देयर इज नो हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल, लाइक यू हैव टू, आपको जो एनुअल पेमेंट है तो आप चाहते हो तो आपको एडमिट आपके जो ट्यूशन फी वगैरह है वो आप इंस्टॉलमेंट में भी पे कर सकते हो. सो दीज आर टू एडवांटेज. फीस इज ऑन अ लोअर साइड compared to other institute. You have an opportunity to make installment payment, so it will be a finance. ये second benefit है. Third is like once the fees that has been decided, एक बार आपके जो curriculum finalize हो गया तो वो ही throughout the course there is no additional cost involvement happening. And if the second year the expenses or the rate increase नहीं होगा, जो ट्यूशन फी आपको पे करना पड़ेगा, increment in the amount that you have to pay. So again that the student would get. And point that I would like to highlight about the institute is that it is very dynamic in a nature. When I say it's a very evolving and changing, जैसे मैं बताया था कि it's a very new generation मॉडर्न यूनिवर्सिटी, और कोर्सेज जो है वो भी काफ़ी डायनामिक है, सो काफ़ी फोकस्ड है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थिंग दे हैव टू चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द टाइम. सो जैसे आगे लाइक बिग डेटा एनालिस्ट में जो चेंजेस आ रहा है, मार्केट के कंडीशन है, आपके जो प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग जो आप ready हो जाओगे, like you would be trained and you would be in a very knowledgeable position to enter to the job market. So this dynamic process, fine tuning yourself in that. Example here is one more course called the artificial demand. So now in developing that artificial intelligence, students can attain that. So इस तरीके का जो कोर्सेज जो आते हैं इंस्टीट्यूट डेवलप करके ले स्टूडेंट लाइफ. सो दीज आर द 6 मेन थिंग दैट describe about the institute located in Washington DC. Second, the courses which are very key and very third is the very good connection that the institute has got with the job market, क्योंकि वहाँ के प्रोफेसर्स जो है वो हाईली एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, उनको काफ़ी अच्छा कॉन्टैक्ट है वहाँ के जो कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड है with the corporate world. Third, the institute is which will be definitely helping the students even in their future. Sixth is affordable है, so it is very affordable because fees have the facility and payment, and the last is it's according to the time. तो टाइम के हिसाब से आपके कोर्स मॉड्यूल्स और आपके जो लर्निंग टेक्निक्स है वो भी चेंज होते रहता है. So these are the 6 things that really put Bay Atlantic University into the front line. So that's what I would like to talk to you right now. And आगे जाके I would like to know from your side if you have any questions. So please, friends, those who are listening to me, feel free to ask me question. You know, so it can be anything. Don't think कि ये क्या मैं ये पूछ सकता हूँ या ये some kind of is this question a valid or not valid. ऐसा ना सोचिए. जो कुछ भी आपको डाउट रहेगा आप पूछ सकते हो, तो I can clarify you on that. So in short, this is what I have got to say about Bay Atlantic University in the 6 points. Again saying, I want to highlight about the locational advantage. Being in Washington DC, आप सोच सकते हो कि आपको जो एक्सपोजर वहाँ पे मिलेगा, जो जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आपको वहाँ पे मिल सकता है, it is tremendously high. Second, as I said, it is very focused institute. It's not a traditional institute जहाँ पे सब कुछ हर चीज़ सिखाया जाएगा. It's not like that. It's very keenly focused. जो आपकी टाइमली नेसेसिटी है, जो जैसे बोलते हैं कि आज के हिसाब से जो सीखना चाहिए वही वहाँ पे सिखाया जाता है. So they train you to be fit for the industry. So that is the greatest advantage of studying in Bay Atlantic University. और तीसरा पॉइंट जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, वो जो नेटवर्क कनेक्शन होता है, क्योंकि वहाँ के प्रोफेसर्स काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस्ड है एंड दे हैव गॉट अ वेरी गुड कनेक्शन विद सम ऑफ द बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट्स अराउंड द वर्ल्ड. अभी जैसे एक तो एग्जांपल मैंने आपको बता दिया वर्ल्ड बैंक का. सिमिलरली विद IMF एंड अदर पॉलिटिकल एंड business organization, they have got a very good connection. So that's all about Bay Atlantic University. Let me know if you have more questions so that I can keep on answering to your question. So please feel free to raise your questions so I can answer to it. So in the meantime, based on that question, I can keep on explaining to you the things also. Any questions, friends? Please feel free to ask me. So this university was started in 2014, and initially when it started, we were having master's program, and mainly we were focused on MBA program. And MBA program also, beginning I explained, we have entrepreneurship, global affair, and economics and finance. So these are like key areas which has got demand. Global affair has got a very good demand, especially in Washington DC. You have a great job opportunity because most of the companies which are there are with global presence. Multinational companies है, तो जो global affair है उस वो जो course है उनको काफ़ी demand होता है वहाँ पे. So that is there. Other than that, science category, we have big data analyst and cyber security program in masters as well as program. So that is any doubt, friends, let me know. So I'm just giving you time to ask me if you have any queries regarding this institute. I hope you understood it. If you have not understood any point which I have explained, feel free to raise question. So you have so there you have you can work 20 hours a week and eligible to get on an average of $10. So it depends on questions. Explain to you about the procedure. So it's very simple. So over here, if you are interested, if you have quite, I encourage you to get in contact with Sandeep Kapoor. He is the part of Allied Immigration Services. So he and his team in Allied Immigration Services would be definitely in a position to give any guidance and support is required when it comes to the admission procedure. But then I will just simply tell you, so it's not any difficult hard and fast thing regarding the admission. all you have got to do is, like, if suppose if you are interested in bachelor's program, so you should have been completing your high school certification, that is your 10th and 12th standard completion certification with your mark card. That is what is required. Your one ID proof is required, which is your passport copy. With this you can apply for the course, and you can do your application process online itself. So once that is done, your application part is done. As of now, there is no application fee or any other charges that you will have to pay to the university. So it's absolutely free for bachelor's as well as for master's program. So for master's, again, 10th, 12th and degree mark sheet you have to provide with along with your passport, and you have to submit your application completely filled in through online. So it's an online application that you have got to do. So that's about the application part. Now regarding the IELTS, so for masters it is 7 and for the bachelors it is 6.5. that is the score that you would need. But in present situation, if you have done TOEFL, that is accepted. If you have done IELTS, that is accepted, and even Duolingo is accepted at present scenario. But suppose if you have not appeared for any of this language proficiency test, that's not an issue. If you are having good academic score, अगर आपका जो एकेडमिक स्कोर है वो अच्छा है, तो आप ऑनलाइन पे एप्लीकेशन भर सकते हो. आपके डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करके आप ऑलरेडी आपके एप्लीकेशन सेंड कर सकते हो. दैट विल बी कंसिडर्ड. ओनली अदर थिंग, अगर IELTS, TOEFL, Duolingo आपने ना किया हो, सो अदर ओनली थिंग दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड इज लाइक मे बी you would be asked to attend a personal interview. अगर आप confident हो कि आप personal interview appear कर सकते हो, that will be like a online personal interview that will be happening. तो उसमें आपका language test किया जाएगा. If you are found to be good in your language, then you are well and good to go ahead with the admission. So no problem in that. So if you have IELTS, TOEFL, Duolingo, well and good. Otherwise also for Bay Atlantic University you can apply, but you should be having a good academic score, plus you should be willing to have a face-to-face interview. So that is all what is required in that. So I hope that part I have cleared. Yeah, and regarding the class hours, it is 2 hours per day, and every week 3 days you will have to attend. So it is 6 hours every week, your class hours. तो वो वहाँ पे like you have your professors with whom you have to check and know about your class timing, and remaining time you have the right to do part-time job, which has to be allotted from your campus. So that's all what is happening there. So rest everything. Beside that, other good thing is like the institute is providing scholarship. तो जिनके academic score अच्छा है, for them definitely they are eligible for a scholarship. अगर आपने SAT, GMAT या GRE किया हो, तो वो भी आप सबमिट कर सकते हो आपके एप्लीकेशन के टाइम पे. वो आपके जो स्कॉलरशिप के लिए कंसिडर किया जाएगा. अगर आप SAT, GRE या GMAT ना किया हो तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपके जो एकेडमिक स्कोर है उसकी बेसिस पे आपको स्कॉलरशिप अवॉर्ड किया जाएगा. सो विथ बे अटलांटिक यूनिवर्सिटी दी हैव अ पैनल विच टेक्स द डिसीजन ऑन द स्कॉलरशिप टू बी अवॉर्डेड फॉर इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स. पर इसमें यही एक चीज़ आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि जो फर्स्ट आते हैं, जो एप्लीकेशंस पहले आते हैं, सो दे गेट द स्कॉलरशिप इन द इनिशियल स्टेजेस. सो इफ यू आर सेंडिंग योर एप्लीकेशन टूवर्ड्स द एंड टाइम, so then the chances of getting a good scholarship might go down. So जो पहले अप्लाई करते हैं उनको ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटी होता है कि they get better scholarships. So again I'm telling you, scholarship जो है वो completely आपके academic score पे base होगा. And there is a panel with Bay Atlantic University which decides about the scholarship to be awarded to the international student. So that is there. So scholarship is definitely there. So you can definitely try for it. तो द बेनिफिट इज़ दैट जो स्कॉलरशिप अमाउंट आपको अवॉर्ड किया जाएगा वो अमाउंट डिडक्ट करके जो बैलेंस अमाउंट है दैट यू विल हैव टू पे एज योर ट्यूशन फी. So that is one more advantage that you have as an international student. So that is also there. So that I have explained the scholarship part also to you, and class hours I have told you, and online application is there. So it's not something manual that you have to do. Online पे आप submit कर सकते हो आपके application, and we have two intake. So one intake is in September and the other intake is in the month of January. So those who wish to apply for the September 2019 intake, they will have to submit all their documents by the end of July. So before by the end of July they have to submit all their documents and finish with their application process. So that's it. And for January it has to be by the end of November that you will have to submit all your documents, and you finish with your application process. So that is there. And 1 second. So scholarship amount, actually there's a question from Mukta Kapoor. She has asked for how much scholarship we can get. So scholarship amount is it's decided by the panel, so we cannot give a clear picture about the amount, but to say like somewhere in between 3,000 USD to 10,000 USD you will be awarded scholarship based on your academic score. So there is a scale which they have. So there are certain cases of having 100% scholarship to 50% to 25% of scholarship. So the panel decides the percentage of scholarship that is to be awarded. So it's completely based on your academic score. So it's not something that we can quantify and say to you right now, but definitely you will have scholarship. So that's about the scholarship part. So I hope I have clarified all the other points. If there's anything, please do raise your question so that I can answer to your queries. I hope I have been clear, dear friends. So I hope I have been clear about Bay Atlantic University, about the opportunity, about what the institute is all about. If you have any further questions, please do let me know. I will be sharing the institute details with Sandeep Kapoor. So I would suggest all my friends, if you have a plan, if you are interested, please get in touch with Sandeep. Please get in touch with his team in Elite Immigration Services, so they can definitely guide you. Yeah, so that's it. So I hope I have clarified all the points. Still I am waiting, so that if there is any query from any of the friend, I am there to answer to you. So I have to make just sure you got all the points discussed over here. Please feel free. आपका कोई भी सवाल हो तो प्लीज़ आप यहाँ पे रेज कर सकते हो. So I can clarify it to you. So I hope everyone is clear on this point. So once again, I would love to conclude right now. So once again, I would advise Bay Atlantic University to you. So those who are from the computer science background, those who are really interested for big data analyst, cyber security, great job opportunities are there. Don't doubt it. And for those who from the management side, MBA programs are there, and really beautiful programs which could definitely help you get a good job in US. And as I told you before, education या फिर job, US is a big market. It's a big economy, so you have a lot of opportunities. And to say the present situation seems to be very adverse. So people have that doubt also. Nobody asked that doubt to me, but I'm telling you, because सभी लोगों के मन में ये डाउट है कि अभी कोरोना का इश्यू है, द बॉर्डर्स आर बीन क्लोज्ड, अभी कैसा होगा, आगे जाके क्या होगा. बट थिंग्स वुड इम्प्रूव. Things are not never going to be in the same situation or never going to be bad and all. Things would improve. And as far as if you have studied the way that US function, the market function, definitely there is going to be a compact. But comparatively, there will be competition. There will be different economies booming and fluctuating and all. That will happen. That is very natural. So we are not to be worried about that. Then there will be a lot of political changes also happening. So our focus is not that. Our focus is to get the best education that is available and to build a very good career. So we have to be focused on that. In that way, definitely borders will be open, because now from October onwards, US embassies are going to be open. So that means very soon the borders will be open. So definitely for Jan 21 onwards, the travel would be there. But as of now, the September 20 intake which is there, we have planned to have online classes. So maybe the initial 3 months or 6 months would be like a semester would be an online classes. उसके बाद जैसे ही border open हो जाएगा तो आप travel कर सकते हो. So if you are interested, you can definitely join for this September 20. So September 20 it is going to be initial online classes. But once the borders are open, flights are resumed back, then you can travel to US, to your campus, and finish with your further studies. So that is the situation right now. So definitely the market would be back, and US would be no doubt a good option for you to select for future also. So with that, I would like to conclude, and I am extremely thankful to Sandeep and to Elite Immigration for giving me this opportunity to come on board and to talk and to discuss with you about B Atlantic University and the opportunities out there. So thank you Sandeep once again, and thanks to all my good friends who have come live to listen to me. Thank you, and I wish you all the good luck, and stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you. Bye.